Look, I decided to do an AR build. I've had the parts for a while now and just now getting around to doing it. This is just going to be an introduction video. We're going to start with the lower, and I'll leave a list of parts in the description and tools you'll need for both the lower and the upper. One of the reasons you'd want to build your own AR, I mean, you can buy ARs out there right now, expensive ones for like $500, or you can build one for $500 too and on up. So you might want to ask why you want to build one. You actually save money building your own. Instead of going out and buying one and then changing everything to what you want, you can build your own from scratch, get exactly what you want or what's in your budget, and you'll save yourself some money. And it's easy to do. And I'll leave a list of tools and everything too. A lot of people got their own methods of doing it. I'll show you how to do it, and it's the right way of doing it still. I'm not saying anybody else's isn't. You know, you can look at other videos and stuff and use the method that works best for you. All that being said, we'll go ahead and the AR is so modular and everything. It's a great rifle to custom make yourself. Like I said, I'm gonna start with the lower, and I'm gonna do a series of videos instead of just doing one long video. I'll just do a couple components in each video. That way, if you want to change like a trigger guard or your magazine release, you can without having to sit through a video. All that being said, the AR lower is the only part that the ATF considers a firearm, so you have to qualify to buy a firearm buying the lower. Everything else you can pretty much buy. I'll just show you some parts and stuff. I got them all stacked up. I don't have them all laid out. Everything else you can buy like online, or you know, like Amazon.com or whatever, or any store. But yeah, you'll have to fulfill the requirements to purchase a firearm in your state as far as rifle goes. A couple things I'd suggest is make a list. Like I said, I'll leave you a list, but make a list of all the parts you're going to need before you start your build, because you're liable to come up with a missing part if you don't make a list. You know, you might want to make a budget for yourself if you have to, and maybe stick with that. As far as what you want to build, you can change that as you're buying parts. This originally was going to start off, where I even bought anything, was going to start off as a budget build. I was going to make a $500 AR. Then I went to, I was going to get a longer bull barrel on it, make it a longer range AR, and that changed to what I'm going to end up with now. So, like I said, once you start buying parts and everything, you can, like I said, it's so modular and versatile. This rifle is. You know, you can just go with anything you want. You know, change your mind or whatever. So that'll be the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll go ahead and start the lower build, and then we'll go on to the upper after that's complete. Thanks.